Introducing Bellessi glass splashbacks for use behind gas cooktops. As well as offering the Bellessi polymer range, Bellessi offer glass filler panels colour matched to the polymer for use behind gas cooktops. Bellessi glass splashbacks, suitable for gas cooktops, are located in the Bellessi bay and they are colour matched to suit the Bellessi polymer. When compared to customised glass, Bellessi splashbacks are a great option for customers looking at entry point pricing for a glass splashback. Here is an example of cool mist, colour matched with glass and polymer. All glass splashbacks are made to Australian standards and produced from toughened glass. Glass filler panels are available in a range of sizes to suit the caboodle kitchen range. So when designing your next kitchen with a gas cooktop, Bellessi glass splashbacks are a great option and are available on shelf in store in a range of colours including solids and metallics. When installed, Bellessi glass splashback filler panels will give a seamless transition of colour directly behind your gas cooktop. It's important to note Bellessi glass splashback filler panels are toughened and cannot be cut using traditional tools in the same method Bellessi polymer splashbacks can be. Easy to install. Simply place the glass splashback directly behind the gas cooktop and then place the Bellessi polymer sheet either side of the splashback. Use a straight edge and apply even force over the glass splashback and the Bellessi polymer sheet. This will make the splashback nice and flush between the glass and the polymer. Bellessi glass splashback filler panels can be used on their own directly behind gas cooktops, or alternatively still can have polymer butted up either side to give a seamless transition of colour behind your gas cooktop. Please remember to use a good quality 100% neutral cure silicone when installing your glass splashback filler panel. For customers looking for something a little different, stainless steel filler panels are easy to install. Simply apply them with a neutral cure silicone over the polymer. So please remember, Bellessi glass splashback filler panels and stainless steel are located in the Bellessi bay in your store.